The CPA exam is evolving, but some of the updates can work in your favor. In 2024, there will be new sections, new topics, and a new structure. Here are some of the major changes you can expect. In the old CPA exam format, there were 4 mandatory sections. In the new CPA format, there are 4 sections total, 3 mandatory core exams, and 1 discipline exam of your choosing. The old format includes Excel. The new format replaces Excel with Spread.js. The old format includes multiple choice questions, essays, simulations, and authoritative research. The new format includes multiple choice questions and task-based simulations. The old format's BEC section covers corporate governance, economic analysis, financial management, IT, and operations management. The new BEC section disappears, but BEC content will be dispersed throughout 4 of the 6 exam sections. To learn more about how the CPA evolution will impact you, visit our website.